Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord on Windows in a very simple way. For that, what you have to do, you have to simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Discord. Click enter, and then you're going to get the first website over here. Click on this, and then you're going to get download for Windows. Click on that, click on download, click on the folder icon, and as you can see, your Discord setup.exe file is rightly downloaded. Now if you click on it 2 times to install, click run, and simply minimize all of your background app. And here, as you can see, your Discord is rightly downloading and installing. Click yes for the permission, and as you can see right now, your Discord is rightly opened in your computer over here. As you can see here, you just have to give your email or phone number and your password. Also, you can simply scan it if your Discord is rightly opened in your mobile phone. So yeah, this is how you can simply download, install Discord in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.